These are the students from Lagos State-owned secondary schools who emerged winners at the just concluded Maltina School Games. At the official prize presentation by the Nigeria Breweries, makers of Maltina, to the students of Ijaye Housing Junior and Senior Secondary School, as well as Uba Junior Secondary School.
I want to tell you without any fear of contradiction that the Lagos State Ministry of Education is a talent industry. Though we cannot claim to be the manufacturer, only God does that. But we do discover talent, we nurture talent, we project talent, and we make sure that we bring out the best in our children.
The Commissioner for Education, who was represented by the Tutor General Permanent Secretary of Education District 1, Mrs. Titilayo Sholari, attributed the high performance of public school students in various competitions to the massive investment of the state government in the education sector.
We are ready to support you because we always believe that these children have this talent in them. You just have to help them to unleash the talent, and the sky will definitely not even limit our own children. So children, I say congratulations. You have done very well and we are proud of you. You are still going higher, do not relent. As I will always tell you students, don't do drugs. Just like the president said, the future of Calgary, they are here, they are in the school.
The portfolio manager, Non-Alcoholic Drinks Nigerian Breweries PLC, Mrs. Kehinde Kadri, said she's inspired by the bunch of talents in Lagos State schools and urged the winners to continue to strive for the best.
It's really inspiring to see, Joy come up as the overall winner. And I know that as we go into 2021 edition, that we will again see you and all the participating students, especially the winners, continue in the stride that we have already begun. So, in wrapping up, I think it's important for me to reiterate the commitment of Maltina in discovering talents, but also in promoting all-round education through sports and athletics.
They started at the state level, then they got their champions and they came for the national finals in Lagos. And in that national finals, Lagos came first. Lagos became the champion, the first division. And that is why this presentation is taking place today. Lagos won 21 gold medals.
Only sport can address the total development of our children. That's why it's easy for us, the Ministry of Education and the Lagos State Sport Commission, at least in the last 2 years, the collaboration has been tremendous. Because the two agencies, we need to work together to be able to impact positively the lives of our children.
In the senior category, Joy Ojo of Ijaye Housing Estate Senior Secondary School received a cash prize of 500,000 naira and an additional 1 million naira for emerging as overall best athlete. Moses Okon got the cash prize of 500,000 naira, and Ifooshe Sikirat of Ijaye Housing Estate Junior High School won 500,000 naira. Also, a check of 5 million naira was presented to Ijaye Housing Estate Senior Secondary School. The winners and their parents thanked the Lagos State government and the organizers of the competition for giving them a platform to showcase their talents.
I've been waiting for this so long because I've been training from 2017. So I've been expecting things like this. This one that came, I was so happy because I don't even expect that I will be here today. But I'm thankful for my coach, my principal, my game master, and my teammates.
I feel excited, honorable, and happy. All thanks to Maltina, Lagos State government for their support, and the principal with the teachers and the school.
I thank Maltina so much for being so good to us. I thank my principal, Mrs. Bankole, so much, and I thank the Lagos State government also, and I thank my coach, my teammates, and my parents also.
We parents, we should encourage our children to join even all type of sports because their ability and their talents can come out from anywhere.
Ọlá Ọlọ́run, ọlá ọmọ, ọlá ètò tí ilé-iṣẹ́ ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó àti ilé-iṣẹ́ Maltina tán gbé kalẹ̀ ló fún wa ní oore ọ̀fẹ́ yẹn. Ó jẹ́ kí inú mi dùn gan-an nítorí ògo tán mú wáyé kì í ṣe fáwọn òbí nìkan, kì í ṣe fún iléèwé nìkan, bó ṣe kan òbí ó kan iléèwé ó kan ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó lápapọ̀. Mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé bó ṣe ń lọ wẹ́rẹ́wẹ́rẹ́ ó máa tún kárí gbogbo àgbáyé látara iléeṣẹ́ Maltina.
The government just approved District Sports Festival for us to do. At this festival, there's a hope that our students who are talented in various activities can come out. We can help them we'll train them, and we'll tell them what is expected of them to do to be able to be what they are supposed to be.
We intend to reach at least 500 schools in each of these states. So we look forward greatly for the finals in each of these states in 2021 to get more winners, and we hope that in the future these winners will represent Nigeria in future tournaments.
The Lagos State team also emerged overall best state with 21 gold, 15 silver and 5 bronze medals.